fabulous sought-after brand new 2x6 construction energy-efficient home in the wonderful new Barton Estates Cul-de-sac neighborhood. The lovely open floorplan first floor offers a stunning kitchen with a large center island and eat-in area perfect for cooking and entertaining. The main level also features a spacious family room, living room, and dining room, as well as a study and half bath. Gleaming hardwood floors and 9-feet ceilings complete the first floor. Step outside and relax on your charming farmer's porch, or your rear deck that overlooks your lovely 0.46-acre lot. Head upstairs to your spacious master suite, with ensuite double vanity bathroom, and walk-in closet. The second level also offers 3 additional bedrooms, a second full bath and a laundry room. All this and more in the new Barton